Rafnar Leisure. The Icelandic company Rafnar may have only released its first vessel in 2015, but it quickly turned heads among buyers and the media. There are a few reasons why. For starters, Rafnar engineers created the UR hull technology. Boats designed with this experience 95% less impact than traditional hulls, making the ride much smoother. This greatly reduces the chance of injuries and seasickness. Additionally, Rafnar's vessels can right themselves instantly if they capsize. You can see this in action with the Rafnar 1100. This model has 3 engines, putting out a total of 150 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of 93 kilometers per hour. With space for 12 people, it's perfect for fishing trips with friends in rough weather or for search and rescue operations. Cormoran K7A jet ski and a catamaran in one? You bet. Step onto the Cormoran K7. Its hydrofoils adjust to transform it into a speedy boat, blending the best of both worlds. Plus, when you open the swimming platform and lift the butterfly wing doors, it becomes your personal floating island. The creators believe this is a game changer in boat design, so they've used top-notch technology throughout. They've built a carbon fiber monocoque, much like an F1 car. If you wish, the engines can be boosted to 900 horsepower, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. In fact, they've even considered developing a racing version. Naturally, it comes with features like hi-fi audio, autopilot, leather upholstery, and other luxuries. And the price? It's around $1.7 million. Sports car for diving. The creators of this device set out to make exploring the underwater world easier and more accessible. And they succeeded. This personal submarine is priced similarly to an affordable car, and many would say it's well worth the investment. Measuring about 10 feet in length, the vehicle features a carbon fiber body and is designed to carry a single diver equipped with scuba gear. It weighs just 66 pounds without the diver on board and can dive to depths of up to 200 feet. Powered by 2 lithium-ion batteries, the electric motor drives a pair of side-mounted turbines. Each battery allows for approximately 1 hour of underwater operation. The submarine can reach speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. Notably, the cabin offers enough room not only for the diver, but also for extra gear or even a couple of spare batteries. Let me know if you want this turned into a full YouTube script with visuals or narration tips. Racebird, you've heard of Formula E, the electric counterpart to Formula One. Now meet its aquatic sibling, the E1 Series, the world's first electric powerboat racing championship. Behind both innovations is Alejandro Agag, a Spanish entrepreneur passionate about motorsport and sustainability. To promote the E1 Series, Agag introduced the Racebird, an electric speedboat designed specifically for this new competition. Powered by a 200 horsepower electric outboard motor, the Racebird uses hydrofoils to lift above the water, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. Although its top speed is currently 93 kilometers per hour, not quite as fast as conventional raceboats, it makes up for it by producing almost no wake and needing just 2 full recharges per race. The Racebird isn't just about speed. It's a symbol of the future of eco-conscious racing on water. Christie Hovercraft. For over 2 decades, Christie Hovercraft has been crafting hovercrafts, becoming one of the world's leading manufacturers. Their products are used globally, from the US to New Zealand, and consistently win clients over with their performance. Take the Christie 6146, for example. It has a main engine with 120 horsepower and a lift engine with 26 horsepower. It can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour on snow and can transport people and gear even in extreme cold, down to minus 35 degrees Celsius. The cabin fits 6 passengers, but keep an eye on the total weight. When moving from land to water, the payload capacity drops from 1,500 to 550 kilograms. Even with this limitation, the company suggests this craft for fishers, hunters, and even rescue missions. The estimated price is Stabiex 250 SC. The Stabiex 250 SC boat might be simple, but it gets the point across. The creators clearly focused their efforts on making its features stand out. When was the last time you saw a boat that could drive on land? In this mode, the vessel uses a dedicated 40 horsepower engine, while more powerful engines take over on the water, offering up to 450 horsepower. Since handling beaches, shallow waters, and open seas requires focus and precision, the boat comes with a cabin equipped with sleeping areas. If you need a rest, you can let someone else take the controls. The Stab IX 250SC has room for up to 7 people. Optional extras include a trolling motor, solar panels, and even a toilet. The only downside is probably the fact that the estimated price of the boat is a substantial $450,000. Sea Imagine Aurora. Looking for a personal submarine that's safe, comfortable, and easy to use? Just reach out to Sea Imagine. This US-based company has been operating since 1995 and has logged over 12,000 dives with its submersibles. They don't just offer standard models. Custom options are available for specific missions. For instance, the Aurora 3C seats 3 and can dive to depths of 1,000 meters. The larger Aurora 100 can carry up to 7 passengers and reach an impressive depth of 2.3 kilometers. CA Imagine calls it a standout choice for tourism and leisure. If you're looking for more features, upgrades like robotic arms, advanced 6K 360-degree underwater cameras, and sample collection systems are available for an added cost. As for pricing, the Aurora 3C starts at $3.5 million.